Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the application unable to start error with the code 0xc00007b. First, we will reinstall DirectX. Open your browser and search for the DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft. Download the tool from the official Microsoft website. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Accept the terms and let it finish. This will replace any broken or missing DirectX files on your system. Next, we will reinstall the Visual C Redistributable packages. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Download and install both the 32-bit version, also called x86, and the 64-bit version, also called x64. Install them one by one and wait for each setup to complete. After that, restart your computer. This step is important so the changes can apply properly. If the error still appears, reinstall the application that shows the error. Open Settings, go to Apps, find the program in the list and uninstall it. Once it is removed, restart your computer. Then download the latest version of the application from its official website and install it. After installation, launch the app and the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.